In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete and duplicate your sheets or tabs here in Google Sheets. So if you want to organize your tabs or your sheets, especially when you're dealing with a lot, one of the ways to reorganize them would be either to delete them or duplicate them. And here's how you're going to do it. So in a previous video, I showed you how to paste the same formula across all of your sheets within your spreadsheet. Now, if you want to learn how to do that, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. So in that same video, I've used a couple of sheets right here. So I think I have 11 sheets in total, and I have a duplicate right here. So if you want to delete a duplicate, what you're going to do is to click on that tab or sheet. Go to the drop down on the right side and select delete right at the top. Click on that, and here we have a warning sign saying, are you sure you want to delete this sheet? We're going to click on OK, and there we have it. So that's how you delete a tab. Let's try that one more time. Let's say I don't need this tab or this sheet anymore. So that's our sales 10 sheet. Click on the drop down and select delete at the top. Click on OK, and there you have it. Now, what if we want to have a copy of our sales 1 sheet right here? So if you want a replica or an exact copy of your sheets, what you do is you duplicate them. So again, just click on that sheet, go to the drop down on the right side, and right beneath our delete option, we have duplicate. Click on it, and we have that copy of sales 1 tab right next to it. And there you have it. That's how you can create a duplicate of your sheet here in Google Sheets. So 2 ways on how you can reorganize your sheets. Again, you can either delete them, like so, or create a copy by just going back to that drop down and selecting duplicate right here. Now, if you still need extra help with sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. So that's how you can delete and duplicate your sheets or tabs right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.